Nouns. What is noun? All naming words are called nouns. Types of nouns. There are 6 types of nouns that we are going to study today, and they are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, material noun, countable noun, and uncountable noun. Let's see the first one, that is proper noun. Proper nouns are nouns which tell us about a particular person, place, animal, or thing. They are usually the specific names given to something. For example, Ram, Jenny, India, Mumbai, etc. Remember, proper nouns always starts with capital letter. Now let us see some examples of proper nouns. First, Mrs. Mehta is our class teacher. Here, proper noun is Mehta as it tells the name of a teacher. Second, I love my city Mumbai. Mumbai is a proper noun as it tells the name of a city. Third, Tommy the dog loves to chew bones. Tommy is a proper noun as it is the name of a dog. Mercury is the hottest planet. Mercury becomes a proper noun as it tells the name of a planet. These were the examples of proper nouns. Now let's see the next one, that is common nouns. Common nouns are nouns which tell us about any person, place, animal, or thing. They are not the specific names given to something. For example, boy, girl, country, city, table, etc. So we can see a boy can be any boy, but there is one particular boy called Ram. Therefore, a boy is a common noun and Ram is a proper noun. Remember, common nouns are written in small letters. Means, common nouns are not written in capital letters, but only when common nouns starts at the beginning of a sentence, only then the common noun should be written in a capital letter. Now let us see some examples of common noun. First one, when I am sick, I go to a doctor. Doctor is a common noun. Second, this book is very interesting. Book becomes common noun as there are many books and every book has got their own name. But right now, the name is not mentioned, only a book is mentioned. So book becomes a common noun. Third, someone threw a stone at the window and broke the glass. Here, the common noun is window. Last, the Titanic was a big ship. Ship is a common noun. There are many ships that sail in the sea. So here, the common noun becomes ship. These were the examples of common noun. Let's move on to the next one, that is collective and material nouns. Collective nouns are nouns that stand for a group or collection of persons, animals, or things. When taken as a whole, is called a collective noun. Look at the following examples. First one, an army of soldiers. Army becomes a collective noun as it tells about a group of soldiers. Second, a flock of sheep. Flock becomes a collective noun as it tells about a group of sheep. A team of players. Team is a collective noun. There are many teams like football team, hockey team, cricket team, kabaddi team, etc. Team refers to a group of players that come together to play a particular sport. So team is a collective noun. Last one, a bouquet of flowers. Here, bouquet is a collective noun as it tells about a bunch of flowers that are tied together. So these were the collective nouns. Examples. Now let us see what is material noun. Nouns which refer to things or substances from which something is made are called material nouns. Look at the following examples. First one, my mother's bangle is made of gold. Here, gold is a material noun as it tells about the metal from which the bangle is made. Second, our house is strong because it is made of cement. Cement is a material noun as it is used to build a house. Third, I eat my bread with butter. Now here we have two material nouns and that are bread and butter. Fourth, these iron gates are very strong. Iron is a material noun as it tells about from what a gate is made of. So basically, material noun means a particular thing made out of a substance from which something is made. Next, countable and uncountable nouns. First, we are going to see the countable nouns. Look at the following sentences. We'll see the first one here. There are 3 flowers in the bouquet. Now the next one. Raju is playing with many balls. In the above examples, the nouns flowers and balls can both be counted. We know there are 3 flowers and many balls. Thus, these nouns are countable nouns. Note, the things which we are able to count only can come under countable nouns. We can see at the flowers and we can see that there are 3 flowers. So, we are able to count it. Yes? Right. In the second example, we can see a boy. There is one boy and there are many balls. We did not count it, but by looking at it, we know that there are many balls. Not 1 or 2 balls, but there are many balls around him. So, that also comes under countable noun. Let's see some more examples. Remember, most common nouns and collective nouns are countable nouns. The common nouns and collective nouns which are there are coming under countable nouns. A, an, a few, several, many, some, plenty of, a lot of, and a large number of are words which can be used with countable nouns. I repeat, a, an, a few, several, many, some, plenty of, a lot of, and a large number of are words which can be used with countable nouns. Uncountable nouns. Now look at the examples below. See the first one. My plate is full of rice. Second, the juice has fallen. In the above examples, the quantity of rice and juice cannot be counted in exact numbers. These nouns are thus called uncountable nouns. Remember, words like a and an cannot be used with uncountable nouns because they always indicate one single thing. We cannot use words like a and an with uncountable nouns because they always indicate one single thing. Words which can be used with uncountable nouns are as follow: a little, much, some, plenty of, a lot of, a large amount of, and a great deal of are the words which can be used with uncountable nouns. Let's see some examples of countable and uncountable nouns. First we have is a glass of water. We cannot count water, so it comes under uncountable noun. Second, fruits. In a basket there are different types of fruit, that there is a strawberry, orange, banana, guava, grapes in a basket. So we are able to count the fruits, so it comes under countable noun. Next we have is grass. We cannot count each piece of grass, thus it comes under uncountable noun. There are 12 pencils. We can count the pencils that we can see in the picture. We can count the pencil, so it comes under countable noun. Hair. It is impossible to count the hair on our head, thus it comes under uncountable noun. Boys. We can, by looking at the picture, we can tell that there are 3 boys standing together, thus it comes under countable noun. So today we have studied about different types of nouns, and they were proper nouns, common nouns, collective nouns, material nouns, countable nouns, and uncountable nouns. Students, you're going to write the fill in the blanks with correct proper nouns or common nouns. Second question is underline the material nouns in the following sentences. Third, fill in the blanks using suitable collective nouns from the ones you have learned. Identify the countable and uncountable nouns. All these types of questions which are there in the exercise, you're going to copy down it into your grammar book. Thank you.